Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about average atomic mass example. Last class we are finished definition of average atomic mass. Today we are going to continue about average atomic mass. That means this remaining paragraph two examples are given. In this remaining paragraph two examples are given. First one, general, that means two isotopes are present means this is the first isotope, this is the second isotope. The percentage also given, first isotope present 50% and the second isotope present 50%. The mass is also given, the first isotope mass is 9 atomic mass unit and the second isotope mass is 10 atomic mass unit. If we know this data means we can calculate average atomic mass. The formula is mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope plus mass of second isotope into percentage abundance of second isotope. Mass of first isotope is what? 9 atomic mass unit into percentage abundance 50% is given, so 50 by 100 plus mass of second isotope mass is 10 atomic mass unit into percentage abundance 50%. So if you cancel means 2 times 9 by 2 4.5. If we cancel means 2 times 10 by 2 5. 4.5 plus 5 that is equal to 9.5. This is average atomic mass. So this is the general method. If you know percentage abundance and mass means mass of the isotopes means you can calculate the average atomic mass. One more example is given. In this question we are going to calculate the atomic mass of carbon. Here two types of isotopes of carbons are considered. One is carbon 12, another one carbon 13. That means for this carbon the mass is 12 and here the mass is 13. So mass is given, percentage abundance also given. So this carbon 12 presents 98.9%, this carbon 13 presents 1.1%. For this we can calculate the average atomic mass. The same formula only, mass of the first isotope, that is mass of the carbon 12 isotope into percentage abundance of carbon 12 isotope plus mass of the carbon 13 isotope into percentage abundance of carbon 13 isotope. Mass 12 into percentage abundance 98.9 divided by 100 plus mass 13 into percentage abundance 1.1 divided by 100. 12 into 98.9 divided by 100 means you will get 0.989 plus 13 into 1.1 divided by 100 means 0.011. If you multiply these two numbers means you will get 11.868 plus, if you simplify this means you will get 0.143. If you add these two numbers means finally you will get 12.011 atomic mass unit. This is the average atomic mass of carbon. By using this method we can calculate average atomic mass for any element. If we know the isotopes, what are the isotopes or exits and their mass and mass abundance and percentage abundance. If you know the mass and percentage abundance means we can calculate the average atomic mass. Some more examples are given. Atomic mass of some element. For hydrogen atomic mass is 1.008. For helium 4.003. For lithium 6.941. For beryllium atomic mass is 9.012 and for boron 10.811. Next one, calculations of average atomic mass. So in this question, oxygen is the most abundant element in both earth crust and the human body. It exists a mixture 3 isotopes. So 3 isotopes are present and mass is given for the 3 isotopes and percentage abundance also given. The same method only like our previous examples. So the mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance plus mass of the second isotope into percentage abundance plus mass of the third isotope into the percentage abundance. Mass of the first isotope is 15.9949 into percentage abundance 99.757 divided by 100, that means you will get 0.99757 plus mass of the second isotope, that is 16.9991 into percentage abundance is 0.038 divided by 100, that means 0.00038 plus mass of the third isotope is 17.9992 into percentage abundance, that is 0.205 divided by 100, that is 0.00205. If you are adding, if you are simplify this means you will get finally 15.999 atomic mass units. This is the another example. See the second question. Write different types of isotopes of oxygen and its percentage abundance. Write different types of isotopes of oxygen and its percentage abundance. For that question, you have to write this table only. So these are the percentage abundance. These are the three different isotopes and its masses. For that question, for that book bag question, you have to write this table only. Write different types of isotopes of oxygen and its percentage abundance. For that book bag question, you have to write this table only. So three different isotopes are given. Oxygen, atomic number same only 888, but mass number only different 16, 17, 18. Approximately 615.9949, 16.9991 and 18 means 17.9992. So mass and percentage abundance also given. And this problem also like our previous formula method only, that is if two isotopes are present means the formula is mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope plus mass of the second isotope into percentage abundance of second isotope. If three isotopes are present means mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope plus mass of the second isotope plus into percentage of second isotope plus mass of third isotope into percentage abundance of third isotope, like that. So next one, so next question also same method only. Here we are going to calculate average atomic mass of boron. For boron, two types of isotopes are given. Boron naturally occurs as a mixture of boron 10 and boron 11. So boron occurs as a two isotope, one is boron 10, another one boron 11. The percentage abundance of boron 10, so mass is given. For this isotope the mass is 10, for this isotope mass is 11. Percentage abundance also given. For boron 10 the percentage abundance is 20% and for boron 11 is 80%. Calculate the average atomic mass. The mass of the first isotope into percentage abundance of first isotope. The mass of the first isotope is what? 10 into percentage abundance of boron 10 is 20, so 20 by 100 plus mass of the second isotope. The mass of the second isotope is 11, so 11 into percentage abundance of second isotope, that is percentage abundance of boron 11 is 80, so only 80 by 100. So 10 into 20 by 100 means 0.20 plus 11 into 80 by 100 means 0.80. So 10 into 0.2 means you will get 2 plus 11 into 0.8 means you will get 8.8. If you add these two value means you will get 10.8 atomic mass unit. So this is the atomic mass of boron. Average atomic mass of boron. So in this paragraph, molecule definition is given. Next heading, molecule and molecular mass. So in this paragraph, we will going to learn molecule definition. What do you mean by molecule? Molecule is a combination of two or more atoms. So two or more atoms combine together and to form a molecule. So a molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by strong force of attraction, strong chemical force of attraction. That is called as chemical bond. That chemical force of attraction is called as chemical bond. So molecule is a combination of two or more atoms is held by chemical bond, chemical force of attraction. This is called as molecule. Next one, classification of molecule. A molecule may contain atom of the same element or may contain atoms of two or more elements joined in a fixed ratio in accordance with the law of definite proportion. Thus a molecule may be a element or compound. If molecule is made up of similar kind of atom, then it is called as homoatomic molecule. So classification of molecule is classified into two. One is homoatomic molecule, another one heteroatomic molecule. What do you mean by homo? Homo means same, hetero means different. Homoatomic molecule means if molecule is made up of similar kind of atom, then it is called as homoatomic molecule. Example, H2. H2 is a molecule. That molecule contains two hydrogen atoms, two same hydrogen. So molecule is made up of similar kind of atoms, two same hydrogen. So only that is the example for homoatomic molecule. The molecule that consists of atoms of different element, that is called as heteroatomic molecule. Hetero means different. Example, HCl. Here hydrogen atom and chlorine atom. Two different atoms are combined together and to form a molecule. So if molecule consists of atom of different element, that is called as heteroatomic molecule. So classification of molecules are classified into two. One is homoatomic molecule, another one heteroatomic molecule. Another one definition is also given. Atomicity, very important, 2 marks. Atomicity was a compound is a heteroatomic molecule. The number of atoms present in the molecule, that is called as atomicity. This is enough. The number of atoms present in a molecule is called as atomicity. The number of atom present in a molecule, that is called as atomicity. Example, O2 molecule. O2 molecule. These molecules contains how many oxygen atom? 2 oxygen atom. So atomicity of O2 molecule is 2. Another example, O3. This is called as ozone. This ozone molecule. This ozone molecules also contains 3 oxygen atom. So the atomicity of ozone molecule is 3. So the number of atom present in molecule, that is called as atomicity. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called as atomicity. One table is given, classification of molecule based on the number of the atoms, monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomics. Atomicity 1, if number of atom only 1 is present means that is called as monoatomic. Atomicity 2 means the number of atom present in that molecule is 2, that is called as diatomic. If atomicity 3 means number of the atom present in the molecule is 3. 3 atom is present means that is called as triatomic. If more than 3 is present means that is called as polyatomic.